This isn't a happiest toy, it's a 30 watts industrial grade beast designed for one thing, high-speed production. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now we are looking at the ACMER SM 30 watts split fiber razor marking machine. Most industrial grade fiber razors come in these massive heavy cabinets. The ACMER SM series take a different path with its split design. Why does this matter? Two reasons: flexibility and thermal management. Because the laser head is separate from the control box, you can move it, mount it, or adjust it to fit bulky items. The Z-axis stand gives you a massive 325mm of height. Think about that, you can engrave motor housing, garage tools, or even custom automotive parts that would never fit in a standard enclosed machine. Plus, keeping the components separate helps the high-power laser source stay cool during those long 8-hour production runs. Let's check out the control box of the ACMER SM 30 watts. It's the brain of the machine and is built for the heavy work. On the back, you will find the industrial ports. There's a rotary interface for engraving rings and tumblers. The foot switch is a huge time saver because it keeps your hands free for fast batch marking. Plus, there's a port for a protective cover to keep your workspace active safe. The front is all about control. You have a big emergency stop button and a secure key switch for the laser source. But for daily work, the one-button autofocus is the star. Combined with the Z-axis up and down buttons, it makes your setup fast and precise. Now let's talk about the back part of the ACMER SM 30 watts, the one-button autofocus. This machine has built-in distance sensor that acts like its eyes. It instantly measures the exact gap between the lens and your material. All you have to do is press one button. The Z-axis moves automatically and find the perfect focus point with micrometer prediction. No more guesswork, no more tedious meshing. Even if you switch between thick and thin materials, you get perfect, consistent quality every single time. It's fast, it's smart, and it just works. To see what the ACMER SM 30 watts split fiber razor engraver can really do, we run some speed and power tests on black photo paper. Accurately and business class, we push it all the way from 1500 to 15,000 mm per second. Now, there are a big difference between advertised speed and real quality. The machine can fire at 15,000 mm per second, but honestly, at that speed, the quality just isn't sharp enough for professional work. It looks a bit inconsistent. After looking closely at our test screen, we found the sweet spot. For the best results, you want to stay under 9,000 mm per second. This is where the laser gives you perfect edge and super clean view. So here's my pro tip. For high precision marking, keep your speed setting under 9,000 mm per second. Don't worry about speed. 9,000 is still incredibly fast. You will still finish most projects in just a few seconds. We have talked about speed. You might wonder, can this industrial beast actually handle dedicated photos? To test its Grayscale limits, I used black business card and accurately for a real challenge. Here are my exact settings: 3000 speed, 100% power, and a 0.03mm line interval. In Lightroom, I use stocking mode and set the image to negative. This is the secret for dark materials. Honestly, the design surprised me. The contrast is sharp, and the detail looked great. The bottom line is that the ACMER SM 30 watts show a perfect balance between speed and detail. Now let's talk about industrial metal. For those texts, we switch to XVG vectors. Unlike regular photos, vectors let the eraser move much faster with precision. First, we engraved the pattern on black business cards. It took just 18 seconds per piece at 3000 speed and 40 kHz. If you are running a business, this is huge. Marking a high contrast plate in under 20 seconds means you can finish hundreds of units in a single day. The ACMER SM 30 watts is a true workhorse. We also tested a logo on mirror finish stainless steel. This was incredible. It took only 2 seconds. We used 3000 speed and 60 kHz to keep the mark clean and burn free. Finishing a professional logo in 2 seconds is a total game changer for production lines. Finally, we try multi-pass marking for more depth. We run an aluminum coin at 6000 speed for 20 passes, and it was done in 1 minute. And the same logo on stainless steel took only 30 seconds with 10 passes. These results prove that the ACMER SM 30 watts handle high volume text with ease. It is fast, reliable, and keeps its precision even at high speeds. Now let's see what this machine can do beyond metal. I tested on natural stone, and honestly, the results blew me away. First, we tried some rock coaster using complex SVG patterns. The ACMER SM 30 watts fiber razor handled them with total ease. A detailed landscape scene took only 38 seconds, and a larger, more intricate terrace design was finished in just 70 seconds. The detail is incredible. It captures very fine line and gives the stone a premium tactile feel. But it's not just for surface marking. We also tested its deep carving limits. By running 10 quick passes, we achieved a clean 0.6mm deep groove in the rock. The razor stayed perfectly focused the whole time. This kind of deep is perfect for things like outdoor signs or stone decor, where you need the marking to last forever. So I have to say, it's fast, deep, and looks professional. One more thing I love is the 325mm working height. Thanks to the tall Z-axis stand, you uninstall with just flat materials. You can easily brand torque objects like motor housings, large tools, or even car parts. Most enclosed desktop laser just don't have the room for that. Since the laser head is separate from the control box, it's incredibly flexible. You can mount it on a custom jig, or even add it to a conveyor belt for an assembly line. This open design means the ACMER SM 30 watts split fiber laser marker grows with your business, taking you from a simple desk setup to a full production workflow. After all our testing, the conclusion is clear. The ACMER SM 30 watts is a powerhouse built for serious work. It's not a hobbyist toy, it's a high-speed workhorse for business where time is money. If you run a small factory or a custom workshop, this machine is a fantastic investment. Its ability to finish complex designs in seconds make it perfect for batch production. However, if you're just a casual user looking for a home hobby machine, this probably isn't for you. Because of its open-frame design, you need a dedicated, well-ventilated space and strict safety hobbies. But if your goal is high-efficiency industrial marking with professional durability, the ACMER SM series is an excellent and reliable choice. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.